Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am going to tell you the inspiring story of Sundar Pichai. In this video, we will know how he became CEO of Google. Before we know about him, I want to request you all to subscribe my channel and watch the video till the end. Sundar Pichai was born on 12th July 1972 in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. His mother Lakshmi was a stenographer and his father Raghunatha Pichai was an electrical engineer. Father also had a plant that produced electrical components. Sundar grew up into a two-room apartment in Ashoknagar, Chennai. Sundar completed schooling in Jawahar Vidyalaya, a central board of secondary education school in Ashoknagar, Chennai, and completed the class 12th from Vanavani School at IIT Madras. He earned his degree from IIT Kharagpur. In metallurgical engineering, he holds MS from Stanford University in Material Science and Engineering and MBA from Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. Sundar completed his education with scholarship. After his studies, Pichai worked in engineering and product management at Applied Materials and management consulting at McKinsey & Company. He married Anjali. They were classmates at IIT Kharagpur. When he was working in McKinsey & Company, internet was booming at that time, so he quit the McKinsey & Company. He attended the interview in Google on 1st February 2004. On the same day, Google launched Gmail. Sundar got a job in Google where he led the product management and innovation efforts for a suite of Google's client software products. In those days, everyone was using Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and Opera. Sundar wanted to launch a browser through Google. He discussed the same idea with the seniors, but they did not agree it. He later convinced the Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They are the founders of the Google. They finally agreed it. He developed the Google Chrome web browser. When Google Chrome browser was introduced into the market, all other browser companies were not able to compete with the Google Chrome. Google Chrome got a good users response. Google promoted Sundar as a vice president of product development on 13th March in 2013. Pichai added to Android to the list of Google products that he oversaw. Android was formerly managed by the Andy Rubin. At the same time, Pichai got an offer from Microsoft as a CEO, but he rejected it and continued to stay in Google. In 2015, Sundar became a CEO of Google. In 2019, Pichai became the CEO of Alphabet. He was born in a middle-class family. Now he is a CEO of Google and Alphabet. When he was in US, he had no money to buy a bag now. Now his annual salary is 2,145 crores. He is the true inspiration for the young generation. This is the best example for nowhere to somewhere. It is important to follow your dreams and heart. Hope his story will inspire you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends.